Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I made a video kind of like part of this morning or this afternoon, and before I shut down the file, I was just playing around with it and thought I'd just kind of show you some tools. And if you look, this contours into colors. Got 4 different colors. And so this was dividing this into 3 equal parts. So we're just going to start from scratch because I'm going to do a little bit differently. I'm going to grab the 2-point line, draw a line, make it snap to that quadrant. Make sure our is on 4 inches. I'm going to nudge it up. Control D and nudge it up again. I'm actually made a duplicate of that. We don't need it. Then I'm going to take these 2 lines and I'm going to make them something other than a hairline. And then I'm going to go to Object and convert those outlines to an object. Then we're going to Control D those duplicates and rotate them 90 degrees. So earlier today we made 3 different quadrants. Now we're going to make 9. And I'm just going to go front minus back. Now our disc is still 12.5, so we're going to, or 12, so we're going to draw a 12.5 inch disc and put it in the center of the page. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to make different colors and kind of show you how the Smart Fill tool works and how it will stop. So I made a duplicate of that line. I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees. And now I'm just going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in with yellow. Whoop. I changed, and that's one reason I wanted to make the video. I changed my Smart Fill to an outline. So now we're going to go back to Smart Fill. I'm going to go get the color of blue maybe and put it there. I'm going to go get the color of red, maybe put it there. Whoop, I still hit yellow. Whenever you're doing that for real, you should take that color away because you don't want 2 colors on top of each other. Get the Smart Fill tool again, and this time we'll go with a green. So what the lines did is stop the Smart Fill from going. Now we can grab and right-click no lines. But here's where I changed the contour tool. So I'm going to set my nudge factor on 13 inches. No, I don't have to do that because of the fact that we're going to contour these right in place. So we're going to open up the effects in the contour docker, and I'm going to contour to that color. But I'm going to start off with the Smart Fill tool, and in lieu of filling it in, I'm going to put no fill, and I'm going to put a specified size of line. I think I'm going to go with like that size and in blue. So I'm going to go blue to this. So what I need to do is just hit that. And then I can go to turquoise or I don't have to do anything else. I just click on it. It's Smart Filling it with an outline. And then I'm applying the contour instantaneously. And you're going to get a pretty cool looking look. And you can pick any color you want. And I'm not saying you'll ever draw anything like this, but it just gives you some ideas that instead of our normal Smart Fill, you can Smart Fill it with a line. And it doesn't have to be, doesn't have to be fill. It could be a new object. It could be a new line, and then you could contour that. Of course, you'd want many, many more. And since I've got a color, and I could go like 30 steps. I mean, that's pretty cool. It's contouring and blending the colors. But that's a pretty cool idea for a drawing, but just give you some ideas. Hope that helped. Thank you.